Alright, this is USDJPY. We had a signal open up here, as you could see, on the 26th of March, so that was yesterday. So in one day, this signal made over 300 pips. That's not bad. Now also on NZD/USD, we had a signal here open on the 24th, right around our last video. Okay, so this one made over 260 pips. Now this is done using our arrow found at buysellArrows.com, and I'm going to show you here that we are using the arrow. Okay, this is using the 33 setting. Alright, so we're going to look on this chart. You can see there it is, buy sell. That's our arrow. Again, you can find this arrow at buysellArrows.com, and it's only $99.